Were you hanging out somewhere else there this morning? I saw Natalie over at Foodie's channel. Foodie's Adventures? What? What's her channel called? Foodie. She's a pretty cool lady. She's a good person to have support you, huh? She's awesome at supporting everybody. Yeah, that's it. Foodie's Vacations. Cruising. Yeah, she is very lovely. Yeah, I love that. I really like people like that. Such a pleasant person to watch and listen to, and I bet you she's fun on the boat. I don't do cruises. Not me, but yeah, it's fun. Yep, the beautiful energy. Yep, I'll be back. She's going back on tonight to celebrate 1,000 subs. So, hey, Natalie, can you drop a link for her? She's got a show tonight, and she's celebrating 1,000 subs. That's awesome. I don't know how long she's been doing it. I can't give any backstory, but you don't get to 1,000 subs that quickly or that easily. People actually have to like you. Thank you, Natalie. Everybody go check her out. That's where I'll be hanging out some. I'm on here way too much. But no, it keeps me off the YouTube. Sitting here talking to you is not the same as watching YouTube. So, yeah, I do a lot less viewing. This is really calm. This is calm for me. That's why I'm so chill, because this is calming me. I'd like to play some music though. Do some more chatting like I used to and smoke cigarettes. So I just gotta get over to the part where I want to smoke cigarettes. Cheers. Couple more weeks, I'll be back to normal. I'm pretty close to normal now anyway. I'm just smoking joints. I got a little bit of nicotine vape. I've been getting cold, hot sweats, cold shakes, withdrawals. Ooh, cheers. That's a joint. Smoking a joint. I put it out. That was enough. That's enough for now. Cheers.